think I should make sure Bella gets some tea. If you like. I'll drive you home myself.
That's so thoughtful. It's really thoughtful, yeah.
Yeah. I should eat something.
Okay,
Okay,
so
yeah.
we'll see you tomorrow. See ya.
Okay.
Alright, one mushroom ravioli.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. So, are you sure there isn't anything I can get for you?
No, thank you.
Let me know.
Babe. Brunette.
You're really not gonna eat?
No, I'm on a special diet.
You gotta give me some answers.
Yes, no.
Was it that bad?
To get to the
No, I'm good. I ain't gonna.
1.77245.
I don't want to know what the square root is.
And you know?
How did you know where I was?